Insurances and warranties are the paperwork you never think about until you need them. And then they're everything. Open your project's Warranty and Insurances tab. Let's load a real one, the roof. Click Add, Warranty. Name it, pick the type, the provider, the policy number, the coverage, and attach the certificate itself. So the actual paper lives with the job. 10-year cover on the ColourBond roof. $150,000. Certificate attached. Save it. And there it is on the job. Active, covered, certificate a click away. When your client rings in 5 years about a lifted sheet, you're not digging through a shed. The paperwork is tracked by the project it belongs to. Now the other side, your subby's insurance, tracked by subcontractor. If a trade's cover lapses and something goes wrong on your site, that exposure can land on you. Insurance tracking already shows Northside Plumbing's workers, comp, and look, flagged expiring soon. So you chase the new certificate before it's a problem. Let's add Brightline's public liability. Provider, policy number, 20 million cover, the dates, and add the record. Your own cover lives in settings under insurance. Load it all in once. And you've turned "I think we're covered" into "here's the certificate." Next up, bringing your trades and suppliers into paperless.